Hey, can you tell me what the noise is in my car?
Not without seeing it or hearing it.
Well, I had a phone call yesterday, and
Oh boy, here we go.
I know. The guy calls up and he says, "Hey, my kid has a noise in their car. Any idea what it could be?" I'm like, "Well, what kind of noise is it? Where is the noise in? Is it in the car? Is it in the engine compartment? Is it coming from the trunk? Is there someone in the trunk?" I mean,
Aren't you the professional? Aren't you supposed to know?
I was a little bit at a loss for words. I said, well, so I asked a few questions, trying to tease out the information. Tell me what kind of vehicle it is. Well, it's my kid's vehicle. Okay, well, can you describe the noise to me? Is it like screeching, like
Like a hawk?
like a hawk? Or
Is it a rattle, like a baby's rattle?
baby's rattle? Is it running rough?
I've had people say, "Here, I'm going to film it with my phone while we're talking, and maybe you can tell me what's going on." I'm going to tell you, these walkie-talkies really don't work that well for that, okay?
Well,
as good as we are.
yeah, as good as we are, and as much as I've learned over the years of working here at the auto shop, it's still very difficult to diagnose what's going on with a vehicle over the phone. So the best thing really is to bring it in. Now, even if someone has told you, "Oh, it must be a blah, 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 and you need a flux capacitor and a hydroculator,"
Chances are they're wrong.
chances
I'm
are
just going to tell you that right now.
100% they're wrong if they tell you that they need those things.
There is no such thing as a flux capacitor except in Back to the Future
Yeah.
on the DeLorean. Okay.
Right.
And the hydroculator, I don't even know where that came from. But she's doing all this on one breath, so
It's something,
I'm going to let it roll.
It's something that's used in the medical industry.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh. Keep that out
So-
of my car.
Well, okay, seriously though, I had a guy call up a few days ago. He said that his friend told him that he needed an alternator for his car, and which is different than an altimeter. And and we got the car here. It turns out that he just needed to have the corrosion kit done on the terminals and the cables of the battery, and that solved the whole problem.
Simple
No
fix.
alternator
Yeah.
required. Now, sometimes, is it something big? Yeah, it is. However, if you do the regular maintenance, you're pretty much guaranteed that it's going to be pretty simple the next
Yeah.
time you bring it in.
And
So
the cool part about it is, most of the time, 95% of the time, when people call us to ask us for a price, how much is it to fix this on my car? 95% of the time, when the car actually gets here, they don't need that at all. It's a huge waste of your time. Really, I'm going to just suggest to you, whether you bring it to the auto shop where we are, or you find a shop that you trust and you can actually talk to the folks, just bring your car in and say, "Listen, this is what's going on." If you need to, have them go for a ride with you so you can actually show them the noise.
yeah, can you hear the noise?
I've actually fixed the wrong noise before.
Oops.
Oops. Well, that one, the one I fixed was critical. The one that you're complaining about, not so much.
Funny.
I got in trouble for that more than one time.
And just like you would go for a second opinion at the dentist or the doctor or the chiropractor, which that's what I used to do as a chiropractor, get a second opinion on your car. It won't cost you a whole lot, and it probably will save you a lot of money.
Yeah,
And
it makes a huge difference when you're not paying all of your people on commission. Not everybody has their hand in your wallet.
Yeah.
Here at the auto shop, we don't do that. We do it on a whole different level, and that way we know that when we're sharing with you that this is what's wrong with your vehicle, we have the photos, we have the videos, we have all the documentation, the measurements that back it up. When someone tells you, "Oh, your brakes are 50% worn," I'm going to tell you that's smoke and mirrors. Let's know what the actual measurements are and what the specs are, and then we can compare and say, now we know what we're talking about. If it's percentages, there's no way that's real. That's just not accurate. I don't care who said it.
Well, this is Jerry. I'm Dr. Laura. The show is sponsored by The Auto Shop. You can reach us at www.theautoshop.com or give us a call at 972-578-0588.
and we're happy to help you. We're here in beautiful Plano, Texas, and if there's anything that you need for your car, please reach out and give us a buzz.
And click the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, or if you received this email or via an email, then give us a reply back and give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. Let us know, or if you have a question about your car, we love questions. So,
and more importantly, bring your cars in.
Yeah.
We fix cars. We do a lot of those here.
We missed you. It's been a long time.
Yeah, come see us. All right, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye.